Langage Farm, we produce dairy products for the supermarkets. We're farming roughly 400 acres, and for that we've got 350 cows milking. Going back some time ago, we started to have a little bit of problem with our soil, and we found our fertilizer prices were going up, and we felt it wasn't giving us the best value for money. We had to look at different ways of improving our soil quality and soil condition. And after much deliberation on different technologies, we came across anaerobic digestion. We moved into anaerobic digestion, and with it, we decided to use food waste as our medium. The problem is with food waste is it comes in all sorts of containers, whether it's plastic or cloth, and you have to find a way of getting that out successfully. So selection of the correct equipment for us was vitally important. And the reason I've chosen the Atritor Turbo Separator is because I find it's the most efficient for the waste medium that we're having to work with. I have the highest efficiency of organic recovery and the best separation of the plastics. We produce the digestate. So this is all that organic material which is broken down. And with that, we can produce a closed loop production on food. With the two outputs, one of which is gas, which we use in electrical production. So we've got a 500 kilowatt engine, which equates to roughly 4 megawatt hours a year. That'll run about 1,500 houses continuously. Our other output is the fertilizer, which you talked about, or digestate. And with that, we're getting roughly 30% increase in yield from our grassland. That material goes back onto the soil. It grows the grass, our cows eat the grass, the milk goes into the factory to produce the products that we want, and the electricity that we get goes in to produce the products. We felt it integrated well with the equipment we had on here. It allowed for the skill levels we needed for maintenance to maintain it, to be kept in-house. The machine that we've got now has been running for around about 8 years, doing anything up to 17,000 tons a year going through it. So it's had a hard life, and it's still working as well today as it did when we first got it.